Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. You can actually plant your perennial herbs in the fall. It's October 18th. The cold is coming. These are going to go dormant. They're not going to flourish. But if you plant them now in containers, come spring, you'll have plenty of herbs for your kitchen. So what's a perennial herb? These are herbs that can take a freeze. They can take a frost. In Maryland Zone 7, we get temperatures in the 20s, low 20s, teens through January and February. This is thyme. Thyme will come back. Oregano will come back. And sage, 99 out of 100 times will come back. They can take the freeze. If you get really cold temperatures, you don't want the container to freeze out. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can use this clear leaf bag as a way to protect against deep freezes. Now, not all herbs are perennials, so I recommend growing thyme, oregano, sage, chives could be put into here. You want to use any potting mix. Let's keep it simple. Any potting mix from the store, whatever's on sale. Most of them are exactly the same. Nice and loose. They got a lot of peat moss in there. They usually have fertilizer in there that's good for 6 months. We don't have to add any fertilizer to this. This is a 5-gallon container. Put a hole down in the bottom, about an inch up or underneath, however you want to do it. You want this to drain well. You don't want these plants to sit in water. Plant it, fill it to about this depth so that you can simply pop out your thyme, loosen up the sides, just break up the root ball a little bit, and drop it in. And you can see that it's going to come almost to the top. We're going to add some mulch on top of here. Oregano. Same thing, loosen up gently the roots that have pressed against the cup. These are very hardy herbs. Just drop them in as a triangle. These are going to go dormant. Take out the leaves that don't look so good, but these are basically going to turn purple. These leaves may fall off, dry up. The plants are not going to thrive October through March here because it's too cold. But the root systems will grow, the root systems will establish, and then come spring, they're going to take off, and these will produce really, really well for you. So once you've dropped in your plants, just add in more potting mix all the way around. Let me fill this up real quick. So you're going to bring it up almost to the top, press everything in nice and tight. Loosen it up. Now again, these are going to die off. We don't need to water them unless it's really dry. Give them a quick water, but you're only going to have to do it one time because it's the fall. Winter is coming. We don't need to feed it. This already has fertilizer in it. Come spring, subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how I take care of these. We're going to give it a nice organic water-soluble fertilizer. Anything that may have gotten buried under the dirt, pull it out. Add some mulch around here. That will help keep this warm, so to speak, so it's harder for it to freeze all the way through. Also, come spring and when it gets warmer, mulch will keep moisture in here. So we've got our thyme, sage, oregano, 5-gallon container. This costs about $3 at Home Depot. You can get them sometimes for free at grocery stores, at restaurants. This was about $6. Any potting mix on sale. We didn't add any fertilizer. So if you're in a zone, so in Maryland Zone 7, come January, February, we can get days of low 20s, teens. Sometimes it can go for a week, 10 days. You don't want this to freeze all the way through. So put this in your sunniest location, let it sit. If you're concerned, come January, for example, in my area, I could drop this leaf bag down. I did the same thing for a garden video I just did. Pull it up in January, seal it closed. This will protect against the deep freeze. But another tip is even if you're not worried about the freeze, say February, you can put this on, close it off. It'll start collecting heat in here. It'll warm it up. These plants will think that it's later spring. So you're going to buy yourself a good month, sometimes 6 weeks of growth. So come early spring when this is just starting to take off. Normally, you will have used this as a mini greenhouse, warmed it up, and you're going to get these plants off to a great start earlier because you created a microclimate. So the leaf bag, the clear leaf bag, is a great way to manage deep freezes and to get these plants growing early. I highly recommend setting up a container herb garden like this, 5-gallon container. You can keep it by your back patio door, your kitchen door, or close to the house, and you can just come out and get what you need. This will thrive all season long. It's plenty deep enough for a nice deep root system. You're going to get nice, lush green growth for your herbs. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.